Hey guys, Nicole here from Backers Bonus, and today we're going to take a look at this product called Email Ramp Agency Edition. Now, this is an updated version of the previous product when it launched last year, which is Email Ramp. And as the name suggests, this is an agency edition, which means that this will come with a full done-for-you agency marketing materials. And so before we jump into the software and give you a quick overview, let me show you the agency package that you'll be getting. So you'll be getting a full professional done agency website. You'll also be getting a sample proposal. Then you also have here Facebook ad creatives. Then you have here a brochure, email sequence that you can use, and also professionally designed business card, letterhead, invoice, and ad banners to complement your brand. All right, so this is the full agency package that you'll be getting with Email Ramp Agency Edition. Now let's go ahead and jump into the software to give you an overview. All right, so we are inside the software now. And again, what this does is that it allows you to write high converting emails. And this software actually comes with 499 pre-written emails that you can use for your mail marketing campaigns. So to write an email, first thing you need to do is to select the niche. You'll see that the emails are categorized in a bunch of niches that are available here. So you have internet marketing, online biz op, parenting, family, e-commerce, beauty, skincare, weight loss, self-help, video marketing, cryptocurrency, alternative medicine, dating, and local businesses. All right, so as you can see, the software covers a large range of niches. All right, so let's just say that we are looking for emails under internet marketing. Once you've clicked that, you'll be taken to a page where it will ask you to select the type of email that you are looking for. So again, once you've chosen the niche, you'll see here that the emails are also categorized further by type. So you have list building, pre-launch, product launch, storytelling emails, and a lot more. So let's just say right now we're looking for emails that is for a product launch. So click select. You're then taken to this page which will contain all of the pre-written emails that is under that category. So from here, you'll see the email topic. You'll see the series of emails that is included in that sequence. So once you've chosen your email, all you need to do is to click on View. Now, let's just say you'd like to use this email sequence. It says, I can't wait to share this news with you. Click on View. And as you can see, everything is done for you from the series topic to the description of the email subject, and the content itself. And you'll see the second email that is included in the sequence. So again, that's the title, the content, and so on with the rest of the emails that is included with the sequence. So what you can do is you can copy and paste and immediately use these emails, or you can adjust the emails accordingly. If you would like to adjust the subject a little bit, you can do that here. Just add the text here. Same with the email content. If you would like to adjust sections of it, then you can just go in and add the text there. If you would like to adjust the style up a little bit, you can also do that. So once you've already updated the email, what you can do is you can click on Save My Update. And that new version of the email will be saved under the saved emails. All right, so that's basically how you would use Email Ramp. Again, it comes with tons of pre-written emails that you can choose. It basically covers everything under a large range of niches. And also this version comes with a full done-for-you agency package as well, so that you can use it for your clients and earn profit from Email Ramp. Okay, so this is going live today at 11 a.m. Eastern Time. If you would like to find out more about the product and the bonuses that we're offering, do check them out below this video. So again, that would be for Email Ramp Agency Edition. Thanks for listening.